XFJ830M31 Verified duration. What is the threshold for verification? Once a physical object qualifies as a potential time carrier, the next pressure test is: what evidence is sufficient to support its verified duration? Being old is not enough. A historical claim is not enough. A document alone is not enough. XFJ830 therefore distinguishes age from documented history from verified duration. The research question is: what evidence supports the elapsed time? How was the evidence obtained? Can the method be examined independently? Can the evidence be preserved for future review? A possible evidence chain is physical evidence, historical documentation, scientific analysis, provenance, independent verification, preservation. No single element automatically proves the entire history. Different forms of evidence may support different parts of the conclusion. This creates an important boundary. Verified duration is not simply a date. It is a research conclusion supported by an evidence structure that remains open to examination. For example, a historical document may establish that an object was recorded at a certain time. Scientific analysis may provide information about its physical formation or condition. Provenance may connect it to documented ownership or movement. Preservation may allow future researchers to examine the same evidence. Together, these may create a stronger basis for researching duration. But uncertainty must remain visible. If evidence is incomplete, the conclusion should remain limited. If methods conflict, the conflict should be documented. If new evidence appears, the conclusion should be open to revision. That is why XFJ830 treats verification as a process, rather than a single declaration. The research path becomes time carrier, evidence, documentation, verification, preservation, future re-examination. The central pressure test question is therefore: at what point does evidence become strong enough to responsibly describe a physical duration as verified duration? XFJ830 does not claim to have a universal answer to this question. It proposes that the threshold itself should be clearly defined, independently examined, and open to revision. This is the boundary between we believe this history and the evidence allows this history to be independently researched. That is the purpose of XFJ830M31. XFJ830 official website: www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 verified duration time evidence. Independent verification time research.